Alright, so bit of a quick one on how to remove and refit the wheel on my BMW GS Adventure. So really simple job, and on these bikes it's really easy. So we'll go through the steps, hopefully helpful. Also trying out this POV style format, so if you like it, let me know, drop a comment. Hopefully it just makes it all a little bit more realistic, I guess. Anyway, whatever. To get this going, the first task really is to take off this hugger, which are 3 bolts down here. Everything on a GS is Torx pretty much, so got this, why do I always open it? Oh, I didn't open it upside down. So I've got this set here, and this one, these ones are, I believe, the smallest, a T30. I'm going to be really lazy and just use this driver, so just gets it off nicely. I'll put it on the slowest setting just so I don't strip anything. There we go, job done. One thing I am reasonably good at is losing bolts. So once this is off, I'll literally just stick them in there, and then I know it's all there when I come back. Pop that there. Okay, great. Now, sit this one back in. I believe the next lot of bolts are T50. Let's see. So we've come around this side, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Torx bolts, and that's it, dead simple. So, is it a T50? Yes, I got it right. So we need to crank it up a little bit for this. They're not mega tight, but yeah, they do just need a bit of encouragement. Not happening. So what I'm going to do with these is just use the breaker bar to get them loose. Don't know, then, oh yeah, stick it in gear as well. So I use the breaker bar to get them loose, and I can just feel then that everything's good with the threads and stuff, and just for peace of mind, it's I think a little bit better. Off we go. And then this one, last one. There we go. Now that they're loose, I'll get this puppy going. I can get them out. Nice and easy. Right, and then the last one, I'll go a little bit slower so the wheel doesn't fall off. That's it. The wheel is ready to be removed. So I'll just put these over here, get it out of the way. Literally, that's it. Job done. So on a GS, that is like the easiest job in the world. It's so good. I love it. Right, so time to reinstall. So getting this back on is literally the opposite of the removal, as you can expect. So that's the right way round. What I'll do is I'll just grab one of these. You can see last time I did it, I put some copper slip on, which again just helps getting them in and out. They're not torqued up to a massive amount. I'll check in a minute, but I think it's 65 Newton meters. But yeah, a bit of copper slip, never gonna hurt. Maneuver this back in, get the cable out of the way. I'll just use my foot. There we go. And line up the holes. There we go, it's pretty much lined up. And then we'll get a couple in. And then that's nice and easy. And that's it. Just put them back in. Foot is very helpful. I'll stick this on a low setting, really low setting. Just so I don't cross thread anything. If it's gonna make life easier, why the hell not? So, back in. So we'll torque it up. 60, not 65. Okay, that's easy. Right, torque wrench. Bum, 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 bum. It's set to 60. Couple more for luck. Right. Chuck this on here. And then torque to 60. Okay, fine. God, so easy. Come on, you fucker. Just go around and check. Da-dong. Da-dong. Such a nice satisfying click. Da-dong. And the last one. Da-dong. All torqued up, nice. So just get the rear hugger back on. I need my enlarger. That's it. Said the actress to the bishop. Right, so chuck that on there. Get that there. Get these started. Easy, easy, easy. That's actually split, but whatever. Whatever, Trevor. Right, let's pop this on. Yep. Don't think they need to be super tight, so just snug them. Cool. So that is pretty much the job done, bar one thing. So what I will do, where is it? This yellow paint pen. So what I'll do is just put a dab of this on the bolts. It's not a perfect job, but hopefully you can see. So when that dries, it means if I ever just want to check that the bolts haven't moved, I've got a very easy visual reference. There we go. Rear wheel removed and refitted and torqued up on a BMW GS Adventure.